Okay people, so today in front of me I do have the Sony LinkBuds S. Now I reviewed the Sony LinkBuds, I'll put that YouTube card right here. I want to say it was back in maybe February this year, 2022. And those were the whole open back designs. They were very innovative. I didn't like them because I couldn't get them to fit in my ears. And then just 3 short months later, May this year, they come out with the LinkBuds S. And so now I'm confused because when Sony said LinkBuds, they want to link your music world with the outside world. That's why they had the whole open back design. You will get the nice sound from the open back earbuds, and then you also can pay attention to what's going on around you. That's why they use LinkBuds. Well, that's what I understood why they use LinkBuds. Then they come out with these LinkBud S's, and these LinkBud S's, they're not linking anything because the ANC on here is super dope. I mean, I guess you can say that the ambient mode on here is doing the linking, but then what is the S for? See, now that's why I just don't get why Sony did this. I mean, maybe the S is for sorry, this is what we should have did the first time around when we released the original LinkBuds. I don't know. Anyways, roll the intro. Let's talk about this.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. So Sony has really stayed true to the no plastic in any of their earbud headphone packaging. So this packaging for these LinkBud S's is 100% all paper. On the front side, you do have an image of your LinkBuds right here. There really isn't too much around this box up top. It says 360 reality audio, high-res audio wireless, 6 plus 14 hours, and noise canceling. As you take this out of the packaging, as you open them up, you do have a quick 1, 2, 3 step, and what this talks about is your QR code to download the app, make sure you get the proper fit, and then pair these to your mobile device. So those are the quick 1, 2, 3 steps. Underneath that, you do have your earbuds right here. Let me go ahead and take this out, set that to the side for a second. Let's see what else is underneath here. And it's like a little drawer system. You do have your charging cable right here that pulls out just like that. You also have your replaceable ear tips. And how many ear tips do you get in total on here? So as it's labeled, you do have, what is that? Super small, small, and large. I'm not 100% sure what they're labeling that. So that says super small, small, and large. So the mediums are already pre-installed, so you get a total of 4 earbuds with these. You have a USB type A to USB type C charging cable right here, and then you also get a bunch of literature as well, and that's everything inside of the box. And here's your charging case right here, very small and compact. You do have an LED indicator light on the front side. On the back side, you have your USB type C and your Bluetooth pairing button. One thing that I do not like about this charging case, even though it is extremely nice, is that you don't have a wireless charging option with this. Only way to charge this up is with the USB type C port on the back side. This lid door is held closed by magnets with a very satisfying click. I can probably sit here and just do this all day long. You have your Sony branded logo on the top side. Now these do come in 2 different colors. You have these in this white color and also in a black. You can pick these up for around $180 on Amazon or the Sony website, and as always I'll put the links in the description down below. For the battery life on these earbuds, you'll get a 6-hour playback time on a single charge and additional 14 hours with the charging case, so that's a total of 20 hours of playback time. And to charge the earbuds back up, it'll take around 2 hours, and to charge the entire charging case back up, it'll take around 3 hours. And also, there's no fast charging in these. For some additional specs, these do have Bluetooth 5.2 in them. It has codecs, SBC, AAC, and LDAC, and also this is IPX4 rated. The earbuds only, not the case, just the earbuds. And now going around these earbuds, you do have an all plastic design. These things are very lightweight. I do really like the design, how they look, and this is just what Sony should have done the first time around when they wanted to just come out with some new earbuds and call them LinkBuds. On the inside, as you can see, this black dot right here is your proximity sensor. You have an ANC microphone underneath that black hole right there. That's your ANC mic. And on the outside right here, I do believe this is your mic array for your ambient noise. You do have touch surfaces right here on the outside. I'll get into the button functions when I get inside the app, but as I put these on, these actually fit and they feel very, very nice. And so, you know what? That's everything for the construction of the carrying case, the earbuds. Let's go ahead and talk about the app. Okay, so what you want to do is download the Headphones Connect app if you don't already have it, which is this app right here. As you can see at the top, it says LinkBuds S, AAC, and DSEE Extreme. You can turn that off and on. You have your earbuds right here, your left and your right, and then your battery status. And you know what? I'm not going to go over this full app in complete detail. I will save that for another video. I will put that YouTube card right here for the complete video. I just want to briefly touch on what I think the most important things are inside of here. And the main thing that I like to go to first is your equalizer. So if you hit that down right there, you have these different presets right here. You have off, bright, excited, mellow, relaxed, vocal, treble boost, come on, bass boost, speech, manual, custom 1, custom 2, and off. If you want to adjust the EQ, you hit this gear icon right there and you go in here, you can adjust the EQ exactly how you want it to sound, personalize this to your own taste. And at the bottom, you do have this clear bass. You can turn that up to +10 or down to -10, whatever you want. And also how to adjust the button functions on here. You want to go on the systems, hit this gear tab. You hit this gear icon right here under change the touch sensor functions. For the left one, this is what I have set up. Tap, double tap, triple tap, continuous press. And if you want to change this whole lineup right here of operation methods, what you do is just hit this drop down right here and you can change to playback control, volume control, or none assigned. Okay, and at the bottom you see that continue pressing, that goes into quick attention mode. What quick attention mode does is when you hold down the left ear bud, it will automatically turn down the music that you're listening to, put the earbuds into ambient sound mode so you can have a quick conversation. Once you're done, release your finger off the earbud and continue back listening to the music that you were listening to. For the right one, what I have is playback function. So a single tap, play and pause, double tap, next song, triple tap, previous song, and a long press launches the voice assistant. And the same thing with the right one that you can do with the left, where you can assign volume control and none assigned. If I assign volume control, it's just tap volume up, continue press lower. So I don't really mess with that because I like to just raise the volume using my phone. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. So and it hit done. And you also have quick access right here. You could adjust the quick access. You click down, Spotify tap, Indel quick access. I don't have any of that set up right now. And you do have different services right here: Spotify, Indel, Autoplay, and Soundscape. Just different things they added to this app to make it more enticing and more competitive with the other competition out there. Very quick tutorial on what's inside of this app. And like I said before, I will be doing a full in-depth detail video on this app. Okay, so before I get into sound quality, what I did notice is that if you want to use these earbuds independently, the only one you can use independently is the right one. So you won't be able to interchange and essentially doubling your battery life, which, I don't know. It's not a deal breaker for me, but I think Sony should have put that technology inside of these earbuds. I'm just saying, $480. I just reviewed earbuds a couple days ago. $80. You can listen to either one independently. Now, as you saw inside the app, you're able to pick between a certain amount of presets, or also you're able to customize exactly how you want to sound. Straight out the box, like I said earlier, these sound very, very good. You can go in just the highs, mids, the lows, exactly how you want it. I think it's still more tailored towards a dynamic music listener as opposed to a heavy bass listener. You will get some bass out of here. I've heard better. I've also heard worse. I think these sound best when it's set up for a more dynamic listening experience. That's just my opinion. If you're a bass head, these just might not be for you. Okay, so when it comes to latency, I didn't notice any latency issues. I tested this on YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, you know, all of the major movie and TV streaming services, no latency issues whatsoever. I also use these to game with Call of Duty Mobile, Apex Legends Mobile, no latency issues whatsoever. So if you are a gamer, you're interested in these might be something that you want to look into because you will have no issues with gaming on mobile devices. I'm not sure about if you want to use these on actual big gaming consoles, if you got latency or not. I know people just use the over-the-air ones because they're just better. But if you do pick these up, you don't have to worry about any latency issues. So as you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person on the other end of the phone call will hear you. Sony always has done a very good job with call quality, so I don't have any doubt in my mind that you can be moving through any environment and this will be just doing amazing when it comes to call quality. But you know what? Let me go ahead and put some ambient noise on in the background and let you see how much ambient noise this does or doesn't let in. And I do have kind of an extreme test just to, I don't know, push it to its limits, if you will. Okay, so as you can see right here, I do have my Onyx Studio 6 speaker right here. I'm going to be playing music from here, going to be blasting it right at my face. As you can see, also, I do have the Epidemic Sound app pulled up right here. I'm going to play a couple of tracks, or maybe just one track, but I'm going to just start off with Hidden Hills. Let me go ahead, sorry about that. Let me go ahead and turn it down. That was at full volume. Let me go ahead and put it at 50%. Okay, so this is 50%, Hidden Hills by Demo Beats, as you can see right there. It's at 50% speaker right here. It's literally right here. So, screen test, like I said earlier, I'm going to turn my up to 100%. You'll be able to see how much ambient sound this actually left is. 100%, let's go. Okay, people, so that is my call quality check when it comes to these Sony LinkBuds S's. I won't know how much ambient noise these actually let in until I get into post, so feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Okay, people, so that is my unboxing and first impressions on these Sony LinkBuds S's. Like I said earlier, I don't know why Sony didn't just come out with these in the beginning instead of doing the whole open back thing. I mean, I like how innovative they were, but I just think that they just swung and missed on the original Sony LinkBuds. That's just my opinion. I know there are people out there that like them and really enjoy the look, the sound, everything about them. But for me, I do not like the original ones. I do like the S version ones a whole hell of a lot better than the original ones. And so, people, there's really not much for me to dislike about these. I mean, I like the sound they produce, the comfort, the size, the app, the design, the closed back design. And the only thing that I would like to have seen different is just have the charging case being wirelessly charged. You have earbuds out there that just cost less and perform the same. They have wireless charging cases. I'm just saying, Sony, you could put a little bit more technology in here. If you're in the market for new earbuds, get the Sony LinkBuds S's and leave the Sony LinkBuds alone. Unless you want to go that way with the Sony LinkBuds, the whole open back and everything. I just think these are a better option, and they're both go for the same price, $180. So, choice is yours. And that's all I got for you, people. That is my full unboxing and first impressions review on the Sony LinkBuds S's. If this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification on when I drop my next tech video. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.
Put